Hello. How do you choose the right contractor for your home renovation? You might not be keenly aware of this, but you're preparing to enter a several-month relationship with the contractor you hire. For many homeowners, this can be the biggest decision in the entire renovation process. And the reality is, the difference between a good experience and a bad one usually comes down to who you hire. So instead of giving you a checklist of random tips, I'm going to walk you through what actually matters. First, look at how they think, not just what they say. Any contractor can tell you what you want to hear. What matters is how they approach the process. Do they ask detailed questions about your goals, your budget, and your expectations? Or do they jump straight into giving you a number? A good contractor is trying to understand the project before they try to price it. Second, pay attention to how they talk about pricing. If someone is willing to give you a firm number without clear plans, a clear defined scope of work, that's not confidence, that's just a guess. And guesses are where problems start. A professional contractor will explain what can be priced accurately and what can't be, and why. Third, evaluate their process. A well-run renovation isn't random. There should be a clear sequence: planning, design, permitting, construction. If a contractor can't clearly explain how the process moves from start to finish, that's a red flag. Because organization at the beginning reflects how the job will run later on. Fourth, review the quality of their documentation. Look at their proposal, the scope, and the contract. Are they clear, detailed, and well structured? Or are they vague and overly simplified? Clear documentation protects both parties. Vague documentation creates confusion and usually benefits the contractor, not you. Fifth, understand how they handle change. Because in renovation work, changes happen. Ask how change orders are handled. How do they affect timelines? A professional contractor should be able to explain this clearly before the project begins. Sixth, trust how they communicate. You're going to be working with this person for months. Are they clear, direct, organized? Do they answer questions thoughtfully? Or do you feel like you're chasing them for information? Communication style early on is typically a preview of what you'll be experiencing during the project. And finally, don't choose based on price alone. The lowest number often comes from missing scope, unrealistic expectations, or cut corners that will show up later on. The most expensive projects usually are the ones that need to be corrected after the fact. So the goal isn't to find the cheapest contractor, it's to find one who understands the process, communicates it clearly, and can execute the project properly from start to finish. If you approach it this way, you dramatically reduce your risk, and you give yourself the best chance for a renovation that goes the way you expect. If you live in the Boca Del Rey area and you want a clear, structured approach from the beginning, that's exactly how I work. So you can make confident decisions and move forward. Thanks for listening.